candy.
It's got to be! You got me there!
Fuck you. You got a pretty mouth. Yeah, you agree with that too.
Let me hit that. Don't be a
1, 2, 3. Oh.
No! You can't go away! You can't just quit the game because it's your turn! What the hell? He scratched his fucking ass.
You know this is Animal Cruelty, right? Come. Frankie, come. Oh, come on, that's just lame. You suck.
By the pool, 'cause I'm the next big crack and my friends are just as screwy as me.